Now look at the question number 26. 26. A picture shows what is the type of slope here. 26. 26. What is the type of slope here?
Convex.
Convex slope. Very good. Picture B shows. Picture B shows concave slope. The picture blank show the slope that help to create waterfall. Which one? Which letter should be here? The picture
C.
C. The picture C shows the slope that help create waterfall. Here, this area help to create waterfall. 29. Picture D shows the relief feature. D, what is the relief feature here? Lowland area located between highland to highland. Here contour lines bend towards the highland. So what is the feature here? Rivers and streams also flow through this one. What is the relief feature here? 29. Valley. 30. Relief feature shown by picture E is known as this one, conical hill. Select the correct or most suitable answer for question number 31 to 40. Yes. Picture B shows concave slope. The picture C shows the slope that help to create waterfall. Here C. Here escarpment. This area escarpment. This area. Relief feature. Picture D shows the relief feature valley. 30 relief feature shown by picture E is known as conical hill.
Teacher, 26.
26. Picture A shows, what is this one? What is the type of slope? Here gentle slope in higher area. In lower area, steep slope. Here is steep slope, difficult to climb and down. Difficult to go up and down here. So here is steep slope. Here gentle slope. What is the type of slope here?
Convex.
Convex. Yes, convex slope. 31. What are the rock layer that help to deposit groundwater? Limestone, granite, gabbro, gneiss. What is the answer? Groundwater deposits තියෙන්නේ අපේ Jaffna Peninsula. Northern region වල. එතකොට what is the type of soil? Rock layer? Limestone. Yes. Limestone, you have to write down the number here. You have to write down the number 1 here. 32. A greenhouse gas that help to increase the global temperature is. What is the greenhouse gas here?
Carbon
Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Number 3, you write down here. Carbon dioxide. Number 33. The drainage pattern that create through the transverse valley and the longitudinal valley is. transverse valley, longitudinal valley. We learn about various type of relief feature. Matakada drainage features, radial, dendritic, trellis, annular. We learn about these 4 type of relief drainage pattern. We discuss about them. Here, what is the
Madam.
answer? Yes.
ඒ ටික ආයි කියලා දෙන්න බැයිද?
අන්තිමට කියලා දෙන්නම් එහෙනම් පුතේ ඈ. ඔක්කොටම උත්තර කියා ගන්න අද තිබුණොත් මේ ටික කියා දීලා ඉවර වෙලා වෙලාව තිබ්බොත් කියලා දෙන්නම් නැත්නම් ආයි ඔයාලට ඒ අමතක කොටස් ඔක්කොම මම ආයිත් කියලා දෙන්නම් ඈ. අද දැන් මේක ඩිස්කස් කරලා ඉවර වෙලා වෙලාව තිබ්බොත් දැන් මේක කියලා දෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඊගව දවසේ මේ ඔයාලට දැන් මම එදා කියලා දෙද්දි අමතක නම් ඒවැ මොන හරි ගැටලු තියෙනම් මම ආයිත් මේක ඊගව දවසේ කියලා දෙනවා. Drainage pattern ටික අපි අහපව ඩිස්කස් කරමු පුතේ. Here number 33 the drainage pattern that create through the transverse valley and longitudinal valley. What is the answer here? What is the answer? Transverse valley, longitudinal valley. What is the answer? හැමෝටම මේවා ගැටලු තියෙනවද? Do you have questions? Do you have problems? Huh? What is the answer? Huh? කවුරුත් ලියලා නැද්ද? When the tributaries of river system meet the main river at a right angle forming the shape of a grid, it is called trellis. Trellis drainage pattern. This drainage pattern can be identified in southwestern part of Sri Lanka. The location of, now listen, the location of the longitudinal and transverse valley associated with the parallel ridges located in the southwestern region of the island has contributed for the formation of such drainage pattern. එනම් මේ trellis drainage pattern එක තමයි පුතේ මේ විදිහට තියෙන්නේ. Transverse valley, longitudinal valleys associate කරලා තියෙන trellis drainage pattern එක ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ නම් මොන ප්‍රදේශවලද තියෙන්නේ? Southwestern region of the island. Southwestern region එකේ තමයි මේ වගේ භූ ලක්ෂණයක් තියෙන්නේ, relief feature එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒව ආශ්‍රය කරගෙන තමයි මේ ජලවහන රටාව තියෙන්නේ. මම මේ හතරම එනං ආයි explain කරන්නම් ඈ. Okay. Next one. A tangible and intangible cultural heritage in Sri Lanka are shown respectively. Tangible, intangible heritages. What is the answer? Tangible, we can touch. Intangible, we cannot touch. National park, humanity. Yes, first one. We can touch national park. We can humanity. We can see through the. We can see through the human activities. So this one, national park, tangible heritage. Humanity, intangible heritage. Here answer number 1. Look at the other answers also. Hospitality, not tangible. First one should be tangible. Sigiriya tangible. Temple of the Tooth. These two tangible heritages. Kindness, intangible. So first one should be tangible. So correct answer number 1. Number 1. 35. The harvest that yield from 1 unit of land is higher in Sri Lanka. This can be seen in wet zone, intermediate zone, dry zone, mountainous area. What is the answer? What is the answer? The harvest that yield from 1 unit of land. එක භූමි ප්‍රමාණයකින් ගන්න අස්වැන්න වැඩි wet zone, dry zone, intermediate zone, mountainous area. What is the answer? Paddy harvest එක ගත්තහම ඕක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මතක් වෙයි. Dry zone here. Answer dry zone number 2. Number 2. 36. The natural disaster that can be identified from satellite before occurring a disaster is bushfire, landslides, cyclones, drought. What is the answer? What is the answer?
landslide.
cyclone,
Landslide දකින්න පුළුවන් ද satellite වලින්?
බෑ cyclone.
එකනේ නදී. The natural disaster that can be identified from satellites before occurring a disaster. Bushfire we can't see. Satellite වලින් හොයාගන්න බෑ bushfire ඇති වෙනවද කියලා. Landslide also we can't see. Drought we can't identify drought through satellites. Cyclones, yeah, answer number 3. Answer number 3. Answer number 3. According to the International Ocean Law, territorial sea limit of Sri Lanka is from the coastal line 12 nautical miles, 22 nautical miles, 24 nautical miles, 200 nautical miles. 37. Grade. Since grade 7, you learn about this. What is the answer? Huh? Nadit?
12 nautical miles.
12 nautical miles. Yes, 12 nautical miles. Territorial sea limit. 12 nautical lines belong from the coastline to sea. 12 nautical miles. This area is called as territorial sea limit. 38. What is the crop that is grown well in the Kabok mixed red soil? 38.
Rubber.
Tea, paddy, rubber, coconut. What is the answer? Tarusha? Chamilka?
rubber,
Rubber. Kabok mixed red soil suitable for rubber cultivation. Paddy, coconut, tea. Coconut is sand mix, salt soil. Number 39. According to the disaster management cycle, assuring the protection of the community subjected to the hazard is done in the preparation, pre-preparation, response, recovery, mitigation. What is the answer?
Pre-preparation.
According to the disaster management cycle, අපව බලන්න මේවා assuring the protection of the community subjected to hazard. is done in what is the answer? Disaster management, you learn about this lesson. 7 lesson, natural hazard and disaster, page number 112. Now look at the page number 112. Disaster management.
Pre-preparation.
What is the answer? Pre-preparation, response, recovery, mitigation. What is the answer? Now look at the page number 112 to 113.
Response.
Yes, response. Pre-preparation පෙර සූදානම response එවලේ මේ මුහුණ දීම නේද? recovery ඒක උනාට පස්සේ හානිය උනාට පස්සේ හානිය අවම කර ගැනීම නේද? recovery. mitigation ආපදාව අවම කිරීම. අවම කිරීම. ආපදා කළමනාකරණ චක්‍රය කියලානේ කියන්නේ නේද? disaster management cycle. pre-preparation පෙර සූදානම මතක නැත්නම් ආයෙ බලන්න. response ප්‍රතිචාර දැක්වීම. ඊගාවට recovery යථා තත්ත්වයට පත් කර ගැනීම, mitigation ආපදාව අවම කර ගැනීම. එතකොට පුතේ here answer response ආපදාවට ගොදුරු ප්‍රජාව ආරක්ෂා කර ගැනීම කියන එකනේ මේකේ තියෙන. ඔයාලට ඒක තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද? according to the disaster management cycle, assuring the protection of the community subjected to the hazard. subject එකට මේ hazard එකට ලක් වෙලා ඉන්න අය ආරක්ෂා කර ගැනීම. මේකට ලක් වෙලා ආපදාවට ගොදුරු ප්‍රජාව ආරක්ෂා කර ගැනීමනේ කියන්නේ. assuring the protection of the community subjected to the hazard. එහෙනම් ඒක මොකේද දැයිද? response. මේ ප්‍රතිචාර දක්වන්නේ එවලම. response එවලේ කරන කාර්යය. එවලේ ඒගොල්ලන්ව බේර ගන්නවා නේද? ඒගොල්ලන්ට ආරක්ෂාව සපයනවා. assuring the protection of the community subjected to the hazard. response 40. Use the following information for answering the question number 40. Use solar power, degradable of fossil fuel, increase the global warming, occur radical climatic features. The two statements that increase one fact affect to the factor directly are the two statements that is increase මේ ප්‍රකාශ වලින් දෙකක් වැඩි වීම නේද? Two statements that increase one factor affect the other factor directly. මේවෙන් දෙකක් වැඩි වීමේදී එකකට අනිත් එක බලපානවා නේද? Two statements that increase one factor මේකෙන් දෙකකින් that increase one factor එකක් වැඩි වීම affect other factor directly එකක් වැඩි වීම අනිකට directly බලපාන්නේ කොයිකද බලන්න. increase of global warming occur climatic radical climatic features. This one number 2. Number 2.